Hello. Welcome to the Health and Fitness TV. This is your host, Sunny. In this video, we will discuss exactly how to use whey protein for weight loss and better health. So, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Men and women can both use a whey protein shake to lose weight. Find out how. A lot of people think whey protein is only for bodybuilders, brothers, and super jacked stick figures like myself. Well, that's not true. Whey protein is actually a tremendous tool for those of you looking to lose weight. That's why today, I am going to show you exactly how to use whey protein for weight loss with these top 7 tips for beginners. Number 1. Understand what whey protein actually is. Whey is the liquid part of milk that gets separated when the cheese is made. If you've ever opened a yogurt container and have seen a watery substance at the top, this is whey protein. This liquid substance is what is turned into powder form to create whey protein. Just in case you're wondering, this process also cuts out 95% of the lactose, so if you're allergic to dairy, you really have nothing to fear. Number 2. Understand the different types of whey protein powder. There are 3 main forms of protein powder: whey concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. Concentrate whey protein is about 70 to 80% protein with some milk sugar and fat. Whey protein isolate is 90% protein and has a little less sugar and fat. Whey protein hydrolysate is also known as hydrolyzed whey, has virtually zero sugar and fat, and is mixed with enzymes for faster digestion into the bloodstream. So, you may be wondering, does the type of protein matter? No, not really. The small differences between the two are not enough that it should cause you any stress or concern. Leave that sort of worrying for your overall diet and exercise routine. For what it's worth, most of the studies are done using whey isolate, and it's what I use as well. 3. Understand why protein works so well for weight loss. There are 3 reasons that are particularly compelling. Number 1. It will keep you full. Protein can cut down sugar cravings by as much as 60%. Number 2. It's easy. As long as you have a blender bottle on hand, all you need to do is add water. Which is great to have on the go or at work where eating healthy is more difficult. Number 3. It preserves lean muscle tissue when dropping weight. This ensures that when you do lose weight, the majority of it is fat. Number 4. Whey protein has lots of other proven health benefits, which help the body function better and makes weight loss easier. Things like improving muscle performance, lowering blood pressure, reducing symptoms of stress, helping to get in more water naturally, and contains a small number of antioxidants, are additional reasons why whey protein is important and helpful for weight loss. Number 5. What are the best times to take whey protein? Take 30 minutes before or after your workouts. This has been shown to help with muscle development and recovery after a workout. Take 30 minutes before meals or dining out. This will help you keep you from binge eating and give you more control over what you eat when out with friends or family members. Finally, you can use it as a healthy snack. Whenever my chocolate cravings hit midday, I use it to get in my chocolate fix without all the sugar. Number 6. What should you mix it with? Water or unsweetened nut milk like cashew, almond, and coconut work best. Try to avoid using milk as it has a good amount of sugar. Other great places to use protein is in oatmeal, Greek yogurt, and smoothies for a flavor boost. This really adds a great taste to the otherwise bland healthy foods. Number 7. How much whey protein should you consume in a day? The most common dosage is 25 to 50 grams per day, which will be 1 to 2 scoops depending on which brand you choose. There is no limit on the amount you can take, but since you get protein from other food sources as well, anything more than 50 grams will be a bit too much. I will also link some of the best brands in the description below to help you all to select the best protein for your fitness journey. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please share it with your friends and family. And if you have any health and fitness related topic that you would like us to cover on this channel, put it down in the comment section below. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you are the first one to get notified when we post a new video. Thanks a lot for your love and support. See you all in the next video.